Oh dear, day 4, and it's all overcast. This is what it looked like at 5:45 this morning. Well, 5:45 in the morning. And this is what it's like now. So we're heading off today to Los Cristianos, to the markets. Let's see how we get on. So yes, it's spitting with rain still, so we're going to take the car. We haven't used it since we've arrived. Let's see how we get on with this. Well, both with red noses, looking a bit flushed, but we've got the car and we're now going to head towards Los Cristianos market.
Yes.
There we go. Lovely. Want to see a trip around the roundabouts?
Go first. Wow, look at this. This is not what you want on your holidays.
Sunny Tenerife, not.
We sail until the storm is over and everything is alright. But today we'll just keep dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. No love inside, nothing to cheer you up through the night. Each day, each fight, your dreams are crumbling and nothing feels right. Just break out from everything that binds you and have faith in everything inside you. And for the light, we sail until the storm is over and everything is alright. But today we'll just keep dancing in the rain.
Sandra,
Yes.
what are we going to do now?
Dance in the rain, I guess.
Well, the good news is we're here, and the bad news is it's still raining quite heavily too. So we are just waiting in the car for a bit just to see.
Let it ease off.
Let it ease off, and yeah, not get wet.
I think it is. It's starting to ease off. We might be okay.
We were just trying to think how many songs we could think of that has the word rain in it, and you came up with
It's raining, it's pouring.
nursery rhymes.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's raining men.
Well,
That one.
It's raining men. Yeah, it's that. That's the word, the girls.
Can't think of any more.
You just said another one a minute ago. Dancing in the rain.
Oh, dancing in the rain.
Dancing in the rain. Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Anyway, enough of that. Let's get going.
There he is, all ready for the market.
Let's go and get wet.
He certainly won't get lost.
So Sandra, you've bought a few things.
Yes,
You've bought some new glasses.
I did.
Can we take a look?
Oh, God. Oh, yeah.
So, genuine fakes. Very bends.
Yeah. But I have the real things at home.
Okay, do you want to try those on? I'll take those for you. There we go.
Yeah.
Hey, they look good.
They do feel good now.
And are they good to look through?
Yes, very clear.
Fantastic. Brilliant. I'm glad you're happy. Let's move on. Hello, mate. So we're just outside the market now, and Sandra, I think that's the end down there. So, hey, but look at this. Look at those waves. Hey Sandra, the sun's out. Just look at that. Can you feel it?
I can. What a beautiful day.
Bit of a contrast to this morning.
Yes. I knew it was going to change.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Hey, Sandra's got some trainers. Getting a bit wet there, weren't you? Let's go and take a look over here.
Oh.
Sandra's just went in a puddle.
Oh my god.
She's just bought those new trainers and she's stepped in a puddle. Never mind.
Well, at least I didn't have my flip-flops on.
Yeah. Look at that. Now this little chappie here, he was here last time, 2 years ago. Still dressed up the same, but looking good. There we go. Yahoo! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Same guy.
What is this?
Yeah, same guy. It's gonna be a beautiful day, babe.
It certainly is. You can feel it's really warm already.
So here we have Daniel's first excursions. There's Matty at the desk there. I'm not sure of the other guy's name. Yeah, I've been looking for this for quite a while. It's got loads to offer. Hello, Sandra. What do you think of this place? Yeah, you like it? That's the Sun King. And I've gone for a tuna salad, and Sandra has gone for a baguette. So this is what I've ordered: tuna fish salad. It says there's not a lot of tuna on that, but never mind. I don't like olives and I don't like onions, but the rest of it I'll tuck into. Sandra's gone for a baguette, also tuna fish, and a portion of fries. Let's see how we get on with this.
Chris, what up, bud? How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Yeah, good man. Your holiday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the beach is really empty. And I don't know why, because yeah, it was raining this morning, but now it's okay. It's hot, sunny, lovely. You splashing in those puddles again, Sandra? You do enough of that at home.
The evidence of the weather this morning.
Yes. Loving life.
Yeah.
So the thing is with lives, when you do lives, you've got to talk all the time. When you're not doing lives, you don't have to talk all the time, because you can edit it.
You can.
You see? So how are your feet? Are they wet?
No, they're grand. They're all good.
Keep splashing in these puddles. Look at that view, it's better, isn't it?
Much better. I think.
That is one of the nicer beaches, and just down there I think is even better. So we're heading for that beach cafe there, nearly always full. Hopefully we get a seat. Yeah. Sandra, see if they got anything. It's a table there, babe. No, there isn't. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's all full. All full again. We got a seat.
Just about.
Got a seat. I'm going to just take a tour around here because it's really nice here. Nice?
Lovely, actually.
Is that how you remember it? So that is freshly made. It's pineapple juice. And they really did. They mixed everything up, the pineapples and everything with that one. A glass of white wine and an Amstel, small Amstel. And that was €10.50. It's not too bad. Just making our way to what I consider to be Tenerife's best beach.
I agree.
Yeah, not too far away. Oh, what I'd give for a massage.
You probably see someone up there doing that.
Yeah, but when you think we're averaging sort of 18,000 to 20,000 steps per day,
Yeah.
it takes its toll after a while, doesn't it?
You have to kind of get used to it, and then it becomes normal.
Yeah. But then you're kind of walking and you're burnt all over. I mean, my head, I thought, yeah, tan the old bonnet. And all it's going to do now is peel and be white. Mediterranean Palace over there.
Yeah.
Now I know that sounds windy on the mic, but it's not. It's a very warm breeze. But this is my favourite beach down here. I like this one.
Yeah, it's lovely.
I mean, Vistas is good as well. But I think this one's got a lighter sand. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look great?
So nice.
More people on the beach now.
For once a bit of paradise.
This is what you come for, isn't it?
Yeah. Good. Is that my good size? Blue. It looks blue now, with these glasses it does.
See this girl here? That's my little darling. Her name's Sandra. How long have we been together, Sandra?
Oh, 11 years I think.
11 years? 11 years? No way we're going to get wet.
Oh, nearly did.
For all of you that are back at home, I know it's not too bad the weather back at home, but it's March here and it's just so tropical. It's lovely. Look at that sea. Lovely white sands, turquoise sea.
Oh, that's lovely.
Now, she's got the right idea.
So,
And him. We're sitting on the sunbeds on the top one.
oh yeah.
So, we're just going to creep on up on Daniel. He's talking to somebody else at the moment.
Yeah.
But there we go.
Oh, there's Daniel.
How you doing,
Come
guys? All right?
home.
We've been watching,
doing,
been
y'all?
watching you from the start.
How you doing? You
Yeah,
good?
very good. Very
Yeah,
good.
Lovely to meet you.
You too, guys. You
Yes.
too.
You good. You too. Yeah, fantastic.
I'm guessing I'm on video, am I?
Oh, you are. You are. You are. It's not. It's not live. It's not live.
I'm going to throw that guess out there. I'll just fix my hair. Nice to meet you guys. What's the
Lovely
names?
to meet you.
Terry and Sandra.
Terry and Sandra. Nice
Travel
to meet you
vlogs.
guys.
Yep.
You
Good.
too,
Good.
take care.
Okay.
Enjoy
Take
your
care.
holidays.
Bye bye.
Take
Bye
it
bye.
easy. Jesus, drop me water now.
We have that effect on people.
Just nervous, like. No camera. What do I do?
Right, well, we've got a little problem tonight, folks. Sandra's a bit sunburned. Well, we both are really, but you're already sunburned, aren't you? Badly. You're not feeling so great. So what we're going to do is we're going to stay around the hotel. They've got a Beatles tribute band on tonight. Yeah, not something we'd normally see, but we'll give it a go, see what it's like. Yeah?
I close